Hey, this is Matt, and on today's Matt's Life DIY, I'm going to open up a haul from Amazon filled with things I am getting for my kitchen. So let's take a look and see what I have. I believe I know what this is. I think it's cutting boards. So I needed to get some sort of things so that I could have a nice backdrop to place my final products on. Like if I make, I don't know, a dish, a pasta dish or a cake or something like that. I wanted something that I could put on the bottom of, so I can put it on top of, so that it would look nice for photographic purposes, that type of thing, whatever. So, and also I need something for cutting because I've been using these things, these plastic cutting boards, and while they serve a purpose, they are still just very, I feel like you can never really get them clean. So I wanted something else. So I got these bamboo cutting boards, which will be super duper awesome. I'm so looking forward to using them. There's 4 bamboo cutting boards in this one package. I'll put the link in the description below, so see how that goes. All right, next I think I know what this is, and I'm really looking forward to it. I want to do more baking things with, like, let's say for instance, baking biscuits and that type of thing. Also, perhaps you could help me with some of my cooking things. And what it is, let me close it back up again. What it is, it's a stainless steel baking dough tool set. And so this will help me cut uniform size pieces for my things like biscuits and other pastries. It also came with a cutter, so I can cut in butter into the flour mixture, the dry ingredients mixture well. And I did not know this, but it also came with a bench scraper, which I ordered another one just in case. So I forgot that I forgot that this was actually coming with it. But this is an extra, this is a great bonus little something or other for it. So wonderful. Also included is a non-stick dough mat. I don't know what you call it, if you call it a dough mat or not, but this is going to be super wonderful. It also has little guides on it to help show you how big you're rolling out your dough, that type of thing, for pie crusts and that sort of thing. So it's great. So you don't have to add extra flour to your surface. You can just use this, and it's a non-stick version. So it's wonderful. All right, the next item I have, I think I know what this is. Actually, I thought I knew what it was, but I may be wrong. So let's see what we've got. I thought it was one thing, but it's actually, oh yes, these are the baking strips. Baking strips for your cake rounds. This is going to be super great in order to have a nice even bake on your cake layers, so that the outside does not caramelize and cook a little faster than the inside part. It will help tremendously whenever making a nice flat cake. So after the cake layer comes out of the oven, I don't have to level it out. It will already be leveled. So I am super excited about using these. Next item up, I know what this is. I can tell from the way it feels in the package. I didn't know that this particular item came with my biscuit cutters, but it is another bench scraper, but this one's really, really nice. It's got a hardwood handle on it, so it's kind of an upscale version, but it also looks like it might be a bit taller, so that it will help with the scraping of any kind of large sized dough that I may have on my bench to work with. All right, this next item, I have no idea what it is. Looks like it has batteries though. Yes. This is the thermometer. So a lot of times whenever you are cooking or baking, let's say, especially making candies and that kind of thing, working perhaps with chocolate, and you have to get, or a sugar type of solution, you have to get things to an exact temperature. This will come in super, super handy. I'm so happy to finally have a thermometer in my kitchen. Let's see. Oh, it's several things in here. Okay. Number one is, you might think, why don't you already have one of these? It's a grater. It's a grater so that I can grate cheese and vegetables and that type of thing. This is a really good quality grater. It has kind of a, not kind of, but it has like a rubberized, rippable kind of bottom on it. And it's got obviously four different sides. This will be a really good tool to have, having a box grater in my kitchen. Okay, the other item, let's see what this one is. An apple corer, apple corer. So I will finally have something to core my apples with instead of doing it all by hand. This will knock that job out really, really quickly. So I'll be able to just like plunge it, and then there's two more things. One is, first of all, how to open the box. Let's do it like this. And then we have, I have now a kitchen scale. It is really important whenever you're measuring things like your ingredients for baking things like flours, for cakes, pastries, that type of thing, to measure things by weight instead of by volume in a cup or that type of thing. Oh, okay. So it's a silicone mat. Oh, that's non-stick that you can put, and it's actually more than one. So you put these on your baking dishes, and you can bake cookies on them and those types of things, and they will not stick to your baking dish. And you don't have to use aluminum foil. I hear that there's something bad about using aluminum foil in the oven. Don't know. Parchment paper is better for just health and environmental reasons, but these baking mats actually are going to be really, really helpful. All right, the final item that I got from Amazon. This is, well, I don't know if it's one item or more in the singular box, but I don't remember, once again, what I may have ordered, but let's see what it is. Like, what is it? I don't know what it is. What in the world is this? Bike floor pump? I didn't order a bike floor pump. Seriously, bike floor pump? Like you pump up your tire with this guy? Has anyone ever received something from Amazon that you are like, why did I get that? Why is this arriving here? Who knows? Well, that's about all I've got for you today, guys. This has been a huge haul from Amazon in order to get my kitchen set up the way I need it to be. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget about this bike pump. I don't know what I'm going to do with this.